Okay, now that it's apart, you can kind of get a better look what we got here. I'm guessing the bushing is right inside of here. And while I'm in here, I can try to fix these lights somehow. Looks like they're supposed to be mounted here, but plastic bracket kind of broke. We'll figure that out later. Okay, there it is. Doesn't look shot, doesn't feel shot either. It's got a little bit of slop in it. It's not bad. Okay guys, so I'm still putting this thing back together. I'm just about finished with it. As you can see, I got the LED lights all mounted. They're working. I did put a new bushing inside of here, so that's all tightened up. We got the new front tire on. The whole system does have oil in it now, and I did run it and bleed the pump and the wheel motors, and up on jacks everything seems good. I did have to adjust the push rods with the new pump. The wheels wanted to creep forward a little bit, so I had to back that off a little bit. And now the only thing I got left to do to this thing, see how the seat is kind of pulling away. We're gonna see if we can fix that without buying a new seat. And for that, I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of great stuff behind it and strap it together, and we'll see if it holds. No matter what, it's gonna be cheaper than putting a new seat on here. We got a few PVC pipe clamps. If you got any pipe left over, these work really good for clamps on just about anything. Okay, so we'll let that dry for a day or so, and time will tell. About the only thing I got left to do now is I gotta wash it all up, clean it, and then we gotta go test it. So there it is. It is finished. It mows, and it mows really well. I just finished putting 2.6 hours on this mower, and it worked flawlessly. The seat's holding up great. The headlights work great. If you watch till the end of the video, I'll play a short clip of the headlights in action in the middle of the night. I am just blown away. This thing is amazing. So far, everything is just great on it. Okay, so this area right over here is the reason that I wanted to move to a commercial type mower. I have this almost same mower. It's a Simplicity, but it's the residential version. And I don't know, it don't look like too big of a hill right there on camera, but that's a big hill. With the old mower, by the time I got to the top, my arms were just aching, pushing the levers forward. This machine goes from the bottom to the top with pretty much just using your fingertips. So I guess the real question, can you buy a lawnmower off Marketplace for 500 bucks that's got a shot hydro system, rebuild it, and make it work? Absolutely, you can. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think. I think I would like to replace those tires on the back. If you guys know of a good replacement turf tire for these type of lawnmowers and hills like this, leave me a comment below. But otherwise, guys, I guess that's going to wrap this video series up on the Simplicity Citation, rebuilding the hydraulic pump. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks.